Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to disable app lock on any Vivo phone. Now if you have enabled the app lock on the apps of your smartphone and if you want to disable app lock, just open the settings app. Then scroll down and tap on password and security. Now scroll down and tap on privacy and app encryption. Now just enter your PIN. And from here, just select App Encryption. Now just disable the toggle for the apps on which you want to disable App Lock on. Just like that. Now if you go to your home screen and open the apps which you have disabled App Lock on, you can see we have successfully disabled the App Lock on our smartphone. And this is how you can disable App Lock on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.